In this episode, we are going to use art resin to epoxy some of the new pieces that I painted in my New York studio. I'm Blake Jameson. This is Life is Art. Let's do it. Works that need to be epoxied before they're shipped out. In that little corner I built, I can probably only do 2 or 3 at once, so we'll just do one batch today. So this company, Art Resin, it's a 2-part epoxy resin. We have the resin and the hardener. It's important that you always mix exactly equal quantities. So in this case, today's case, we're just going to use all of both of these so that we know it's exactly the same. This way the epoxy will be able to drip off. It's not going to stick to anything. You're ready to go. So now we just hope that no mosquitoes land on the work.